Proceeding further.
Hello, sir.
Hi, dear.
So I just joined the classes today. I didn't attend the two classes, so
No
how can I
problem,
get
dear.
the
In the group description from where you got the link, okay? In the
Okay.
group description from where you got the link, we have in the description classroom recordings available.
Okay.
Okay? Please visit the classroom recordings. Surely, some part you may understand, some part you may not understand. Ask those parts which you do not understand. Okay?
Okay,
Sure?
sir.
Anyone else with anything else, guys? Anyone else coming up with anything else? That's why I was not seeing on the video. Chalo, anyway, proceeding further. The last topic of complex number is finding the locus. Finding the locus. Make a note of it. Finding the locus. Set. Locus. Locus means nothing but equation. Now, if the equation is related to a shape, it may also mean the name of the shape. In mathematics, in two-dimensional coordinate geometry, we have got systematically labeled 6 shapes. What are these 6 shapes? Please make a note of it. Shape of a line. You know what is a line look like. Shape of a circle. You know how a circle look like. Shape of a parabola. Now, you don't know how a parabola looks like. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
The U shape.
Either this way or this way or downward or leftward, right or not? All these 4 are different varieties of parabola. Clear? Right?
Yes, sir.
Then comes hyperbola. Are you aware about how a hyperbola looks like? So, double parabola. This is a hyperbola. Okay? This is a hyperbola. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
And then comes ellipse. You know, this is an ellipse, this is an ellipse, right or not? As I said 6, there is one more called as pair of lines. It's more than one lines given in a curve. So it's like, this is a pair of straight line, this is a pair of straight line. They need not be always parallel. They can be intersecting also. Pair of straight lines mean more than one lines. Clear? Sure. Now here I have to give you some gyan. Some gyan I have to give. What is the gyan? The gyan is, please note down, this gyan is called second degree equation of all two-dimensional shapes. Second degree equation of all two-dimensional shapes. Understand? The biggest second order degree equation in two variables which is possible is ax square plus by square plus cx plus dy plus exy plus f equal to 0. Okay? Iske beyond, can you see something possible beyond this? Is there any term which is possible beyond this? Bolo. Yes or no? Hmm? Yes or no? Right? चलो. Then बिल्कुल आराम से relax. Relax. If you see x into y, please note. If exy is visible, then pair of straight lines. I'll tell you what a pair of straight lines means. See,
Hello,
bracket.
sir.
Yes, welcome.
Sir, can you tell what EX is?
EXY. If EXY is visible, it is called a pair of straight lines. I'll show you. X plus 2y minus 3. Is this a equation of line or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
2x minus y plus 2. Is this also the equation of a line? क्या हो गया लिख क्यों नहीं पा रहा वेट मैं हूं ना मैं संभाल लूंगा
Sir, are we moving to conic section from complex numbers?
yes we are not moving to within complex number there is a segment which deals with some basic knowledge regarding conic sections okay
Okay, sir. Okay.
so as I say कि भाई equation में लिखो what is in your rough notebook please do x plus 2y minus 3 into 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Tell me what is this? It will look like 2x square. Jaldi na, please, please, please. Please.
Sir, 2x square minus 2y square.
Minus xy plus 3x plus 4xy minus 2y square plus 6y minus 6x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. Yes or no? Right? So 2x square minus 2y square xy is minus xy 3xy that's it. X 3x minus 6x is minus 3x y 6y plus 3y is 9y minus the only constant is 9 equal to 0. Yes or no? Visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Please note this equation because I will need this to be translated. 2 minus 2 minus 3 9 3 minus 9. Noted?
Yes, sir.
How much? Please tell. 2x square
Minus 2y
Minus
square.
Minus
2y square
2y square
plus 3x
plus 3x
plus 3x
plus 4xy
plus 4xy
minus 2y square
minus. No, yaar, y square is already done.
So it's 3xy minus 3x.
minus y is equal to 0.
Should I correct? Minus 2y square after that.
plus 3x
Plus 3 plus 3xy
Plus
minus
3xy minus
9y
3x
plus
plus
9y
9y
plus 9y
minus 9
minus 9
Nine.
equal to
plus
0.
0.
equal to 0. Dekho. What you see is a pair of two straight lines. Could you see or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? They are nothing but the two individual lines. What were the two individual lines we had taken? What was the first bracket?
X plus 2y.
X plus 2y
minus 3
minus 3 equal to 0. See, same line became blue. Yes or no?
So
Right? And what was the second line?
2x minus 3 minus y plus 3
2x minus y plus 3
Plus
equal
3.
to 0. Look, the second line became red. Understood or not? So the first equation is nothing but a combination of two linear equations. Now you see the two linear equations, when you multiply them, x also gets multiplied with y also gets multiplied with x. Hence there will be a term of x into y. Understood? Sure? So as soon as you... Repeat, Akansha?
yeah, yes, sir.
Should I repeat? Okay. See there. The first equation is nothing but the combination of second and third equation. Hence the equation of first line is called the equation of pair of straight line. Clear?
Okay,
yes sir
Okay. It's nothing but there are two lines combined together. Fine? Hence, when you see the equation of a line, in that x and y both will be there. In the equation of another line, x and y both will be there. When these two equations are combined, there will come a term of x into y. Hence, we say that in the second order equation, when you see x into y, you should say कि भाई this shape is pair of straight line. Understood? Another 5
Yes.
sets are when x into y is not visible. Okay? Sure. The second case starts when x into y is not there. So when x into y is not there, our first equation, the big equation, gets converted to ax square plus by square plus cx plus dy plus f equal to 0. Yes or no? Right? Sure. Now listen to me. So if x square and y square both are there, both have same sign and a is equal to b, this implies that the shape is a circle. Sure. Second, if x and y square both are there, both have same sign, but a is not equal to b, then ellipse. Third, when x and y both are there in square terms, both do not have same sign. This implies that it's hyperbola. In the same way, only one, either x square or y square is visible, then parabola. And last, none, neither x square nor y square is visible. It's nothing but a single one straight line. लिख लीजिए लिख लीजिए लिख लीजिए. I'll prove it. Don't worry. I'll prove it. Relax. Don't worry. Done, then tell me, I will proceed.
Sir, last one is a straight line. Am I right?
Yeah. Neither x square nor y square is visible. It's a straight. Sure. Sure. Let us prove it. First one I proved. Yes or no? Fifth one. See. Neither x square nor y square is there. Visible straight line. Right or not? Sure. Let's make circle. 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Visible circle, yes or no? Circle visible, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, it's a circle. Clear? Why? 2 is equal to 2. X square and y square both are visible. Both are positive. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shabash. Let's try another shape where 2x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. It's a ellipse. Why? Because 2x square and 2y square are such that, yes or no? Right?
Yes.
They both x square and y square are visible, but 2 and 1, the coefficient of x square and the coefficient of y square are not equal. Clear?
Yeah.
If I would have got the same equation, just that instead of x square, I would have added a minus sign, then what would have happened? You can see a hyperbola visible.
Yes, sir.
Hyperbola, right? Why? Because x square, y square both are there, but x square is positive and y square is negative. Clear? Sure.
Sure.
Suppose out of the two we remove one. Out of the two variables x square and y square, we remove one. X हटा दिया. What will we get? A parabola visible.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So just by looking at the equation, now you can tell what is the shape. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Got
Yes.
Yes, sir.
it? Shabash. So beta, what kind of question will come? Now listen to me. We know in locus question only one thing will be required. We know that when we say z is a complex number, say for example x plus I way, then mod z is square root of a square and b square, right or not?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, beta, if I say z is a plus ib, what is mod of z minus 3? So you will say, sir, mod of a plus ib minus 3. Sir, it is a minus 3 is its real part and b is its imaginary part. Understood? So mod is not just a square plus b square. Its actual way of writing mod is square root of sum of real part ka square plus imaginary part ka square. Got it? Sure.
Yes, sir.
So tell me 2-3 questions. 2-3 questions I am asking. If z is equals to x plus iy, tell me what is the mod of z plus I? What is the mod of z minus 3? What is the mod of conjugate of z plus 3i? आराम से 3 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर निकाल के दीजिए मुझे. Someone has messaged me, so I am just checking what is the message. What is the message? हमारे ही ग्रुप में कोई और भी आया है. वेलकम. चलो डन. I am writing, just verify whether your answers are right or not. If not, tell me. Okay. Answer for this will be square root of x square plus bracket y plus 1 square. Answer for this will be square root of x minus 3 square plus 1 square. Answer for this will be x square plus minus y plus 3 square. Anyone who did not get any one part right?
So I didn't get the last one.
Beta, what is the meaning of conjugate? Change the sign of imaginary part. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Bas. So x plus iy will become x minus iy, and then there is plus 3i. So we will say, sir, in this the real part is x, the imaginary part is 3 minus y. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sure. Now I am going to ask you a question of locus. See, find the locus of a complex number z such that z minus 3 upon z plus 3 ka mod is equal to 3. Solve. You want to solve or should I solve? I will solve one. Okay? Yeah, I will solve one. So you will say, sir, this equation can be written as mod of z minus 3 is 3 times mod of z plus 3. I would say yes. Mod of z minus 3, sir, is x minus 3 square plus y square inside a square root equal to 3 times of x plus 3 ka square plus y square. Okay. Sir, squaring on both the side we will get x minus 3 ka square is x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square equal to 9x square plus 9 9s are 81 plus 9 6 are 54x plus 54y square. Yes or no? Sir, if we take everything on one side, we will get 0 equal to 9x square, x square, 8x square. ये सुनो 54y² 54 कैसे हो गया? ये तो सिर्फ 9 ही होगा. 9y² minus y² is plus 8y². And there is no x into y. As there is no x into y, it's not a pair of straight line. As there is no x into y, we will look at x² and y². Both are present. Both are equal 8 and 8. Hence, this complex number is a circle. Got it?
So what's the value of Z in that?
Repeat here.
Can you repeat?
Value of Z.
I will repeat. See. So 9 into x² plus 3 square is 9. 9 nines are 81. Plus 6x is 54x. And then 9 into y² is plus. Understood? So we brought everything on one side. So here we said ki nothing is there, 0. X² went that side, 9x² minus x² is 8x². 9y² minus y² is 8y². We are not interested in parts beyond. Yeah, the only interest we have is to find whether x into y is not there. And there isn't any x into y. Hence we are proceeding. Clear?
So from where we get x minus 3 whole square?
Repeat.
X minus 3
Yeah.
whole square will be good.
Ye wala?
Yes, sir.
How did we get this is what your question is?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So beta see. Z is x plus iy. So its real part is x minus 3. Real part square plus imaginary part square. Okay? X plus 3 real part square, imaginary part square. Got it? Sure.
Got it, sir.
Next question. Z plus 1 ka mod is 2 times Z conjugate minus 1 ka mod. What is the locus of this complex? Solve. आराम से take a deep breath and solve. आराम से. I am also starting slowly.
Sir,
Yes.
so what is that? Is it
Repeat.
what is that? Is Z plus 1?
The Z bar.
Yeah, that one.
Z conjugate. So if Z is a complex number x plus iy, Z conjugate is x minus iy. Change the sign of imaginary part. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Is it ellipse?
Repeat.
Is it ellipse?
No, it's coming circle only.
Sir, is it 3x square minus 10x plus 3 plus 3y square?
Now, so 3x square and 3y square are both 3 and both are present. Hence, it's a circle.
Okay.
Let's do some exam.
Sir, can you tell me how to solve 2 into root x minus 1 whole square plus y square?
Sure, why not, beta? Your landing till here is safe.
Yes, sir, I was able to solve root x plus 1 whole square plus y square. But after that, the
So no
right.
problem. So when we square on both the side, this root goes, and this becomes square. Yes or no?
No, sir, I forgot that. Sorry.
Okay.
I think that's
Now
okay,
sorted.
thank you. Yes, sir. Sorry. Also.
Okay. So now
Okay,
doing
sir.
some exam questions. Relax. Doing some exam questions. '83. Just check whether it's a circle or not. I will tell you how to find its center and radius. First, you verify yourself whether it's actually a circle or not. Do it. I am just Shant. 83. Try check whether it's actually a circle or not. Proceed. Meanwhile, I'll connect equipments to write on the screen. Alright, I am also starting. Z bar is mod z square 3x minus plus 3 y minus ix minus plus iy. So plus 3x minus y plus ix okay, minus 3 iy plus 1 equal to 0. तो ध्यान से देखिए, दिस प्लस, ध्यान से देखिए, x स्क्वायर सेफ, y स्क्वायर सेफ, 3x सेफ, 3iy and iy gone, minus ix and ix gone. So you have x square plus y square plus 6x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle y. X square and y square both are visible, both have same coefficient and both are positive. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. I will teach you how to find the center, don't worry. If you want to learn it now, then the way is, see, very easy. Whatever is the coefficient of x and coefficient of y, they are half and sign change. So minus 3 comma minus 1. How to find the radius? Radius is सेंटर के x पार्ट का स्क्वायर प्लस सेंटर के y पार्ट का स्क्वायर माइनस द कांस्टेंट पार्ट. द कांस्टेंट पार्ट इज 1. So answer is 3. Understood? ज़्यादा ज्ञान हो गया for today. Wait. Don't worry. Do not learn. If you have understood, great. Do not give a re-attempt to understand circle. No problem. Time will come. Don't worry. We are as of now concentrated more on locus. Two questions, 70 and 71. Solve चाहिए. Not vegum, relaxum, but correctgum. हाँ भाई. Circle, ellipse, hyperbola, parabola.
Sir, 70 circles.
70 circles, good. Seven zero circles, good, great, easy. For everyone else, कुछ नहीं है. क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी नहीं है. Mod of 2x minus 1 plus 2y is equals to x minus 2 plus iy. Mod is 2x minus 1 का square plus 4y square. Squaring on both the side already done. X minus 2 का square plus y square. So we see that कि sir यहाँ से 4x square will come. 4y square is already there. Sir, x square will go and make it 3x square. Sir, y square will go and make it 3y square. And sir, there isn't any x into y, so the answer is a circle. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now 71. 71 में there is one complicated topic as well. And line is also there. Anyway, there is nothing like set of 4 lines. Maximum set in one equation can be set of 2 lines, not more than that. So alpha, bravo and delta are possible options. Let's try. This is nothing but 2x ka mod. This is nothing but 2yi ka mod. Oh, okay. So it is x square equal to y square. Beta, x square equal to y square is a pair of two straight lines. X equal to y and x equal to minus y. Clear? Understood? No one saying anything. Everyone slept. Slept.
Or can you repeat it?
I will. Why not? Beta, which part is the doubt? To get 2x and 2y is the doubt, or post it is the doubt?
Sir, I don't know how to do z plus conjugate of z.
Conjugate. हाँ. So beta, see, what is the meaning of z bar? If z is x plus iy, z bar is x minus iy, right? So what will be the sum of the two? When you add them, this part and this part get cancelled. You will get 2x, right or not? Whereas when you subtract them, you get x and x cancelled, right? Minus 2yi. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
What is the mod of this? 4x square. What is the mod of this? 4y square. They are equal. 4 and 4 got cancelled. X square equal to y square means x can be plus y, x can be minus y. It's a set of two straight lines.
Okay, sir.
Barabar?
Thanks.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Good. Relax. Any other question of locus visible? See, 52, 53, 54, 55, where 53 is a question based on locus.
Sir, can you repeat the previous question?
I will. Why not? $71, right?
Yes, sir.
Serious. 71 is asking you what is the locus of a complex number z which satisfies this. So we say if z is x plus iy, z bar will be x minus iy, right? So z plus z bar will be 2x and z minus z bar will be minus 2yi. Yes or no? Mod of this will be square root of this square. Sure?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Mod of this will be square root of 4y square. When they are equal, taking square on with both the side, we get this. 4 and 4 cancel. X equal to plus y or x equal to minus y are two straight lines. Right?
Okay, sir, I understand.
Sure, very good. So
So
guys,
now I got how to solve Z and Z conjugate when it become 3 minus I into Z. How can we solve it?
okay, like what is the question, beta? Can you reiterate the question?
3 minus I into Z.
The question is 3 minus I
Into Z.
bus. But there should be something else also, no?
Yes, it was the question which we tried earlier. Z into Z conjugate plus 3 minus I into Z.
Acha, the previous one. Okay, I'll tell
Yes,
you
sir,
which
the
question.
previous question.
Yeah, which question.
The
you are
question number
talking.
83.
Yeah, I got it. This one, right?
Yes, sir.
Should I repeat?
Yes, sir. How to solve it? I didn't get how to solve it.
Relax, no problem. So you consider that z is equals to x plus iy. Hence, z bar will become x minus iy. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So what is z? X plus iy. Sure? Fine, because अब टेढ़ा होके लिखना पड़ रहा है. I'll adjust my writing back. Sure. And what is z bar? X minus iy, right? Plus.
Okay.
Instead of z, if I write x plus iy, what is 3x, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus 3iy minus xi minus I into I is minus 1y. Clear? Three x minus 3iy plus ix or xi plus y. Sure? Someone sent a message or something. Sir, I am out data. Oh, okay, no problem. Plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, dear? So, see. X square a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, no? Plus 3yx xi 3x 6x y 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay? So when you see that x square and y square both are present, both have same coefficient and both are positive, it means it's a circle. Okay? Sure, dear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, dear? Everyone?
Yes,
Now
sir.
to find the equation of the circle, I told you have to do nothing but take the x का coefficient and y का coefficient, half them and change the sign. -3 comma -1 is the center. What is the radius? Radius is nothing but center के x part का square plus center's y part square minus the constant √9, which is 3 is the radius. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat it?
Which part, beta? Center or radius?
Both.
Both. We got the equation. From the equation, how to get the center? Center is equation में x part, equation में y part. Half them and change the sign. So -3 comma -1 is the center. Okay? Sure? Talking about the radius. How do we calculate the radius? We calculate the radius by doing the square of the center ka x part, which is 9, plus square of the center ka y part, which is 1, subtracting the constant part as 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Square root of 9 is 3. Hence, the radius of the given equation of the circle will be 3. Clear? Sorted? Both parts done. The center part and the radius part. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sure? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very, very, absolutely. Next. What is next? Understood? So, easy? Fine. Now you have been assigned a task. First level of your task is from 6060 from 6060 from 6060 to 79, 78, 90, 90, right? Which all questions have not been done yet? Oh, ये phone उठा हुआ है. Which all questions have not been done yet? You will do them. Surely in some questions you will have doubt. In some question you may not have doubt. You will be able to do. You have to enlist them and get that. Fine? Are we sorted?
Sir, fine, sir.
So, what's the page number?
This is on page number 40 of the book. If you are going by the PDF 214.
216.
Yeah, so you don't have to search for the page. See, wherever you will open, here there will be a tab. I'll show you the easier way of opening it. Here there will be a tab. If you click on this list, the click of chapters will come. Link of chapters will come. If you click on mathematics, all chapters will show. Suppose you want to go to complex number, click on complex number, it will go. Okay? Sure? If you want to go to logarithm, if you click on logarithm, you will automatically reach to log. Fine?
Fine, sir.
Okay, sir.
Like the next chapter I want to take up is binomial theorem. Sure?
Yes, sir.
Are we set? But before going into binomial theorem, I want to discuss a topic of GAT, General Ability Test. Are we set for it?
Yes, sir.
Sure. From my end, complex number is over. From my end, complex number is over. Quote 1 is done. Second quote is you will come up with the solutions. Third quote is I will give you more questions to solve. These are the three quotes, beta. Whenever these three quotes are done for a chapter, then only we say the chapter is concrete based. Fine. Understood?
Yes, sir.
चलो. Now talking about physics. Write down GAT physics. General ability test physics. For that, let me open the mind map of GAT physics. कहाँ गया भाई? हाँ.
Sir,
Yes, dear.
the assignment was from 60 to 90.
First layer is 60 to 90. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now I'm going to share the screen, beta. Visible?
Yes, sir.
Please make a note of physics topics. Please make a note. Those who are in 12th grade, my personal recommendation will be, those who are in 12th grade, my personal recommendation will be, do not go for chapter number 2, complete reading again. Do not go for chapter number 3, complete reading again. No, not required. Because they are not in your 12th grade, do not invest your energies on it. Okay? So, you have got more thicker amount of things to be done. Hence, for those who are in 12th grade, just don't go and reread those chapters. Don't do that, please. It takes a good amount of time. I don't want you to invest that. Those who are who have freshly gone to 11th grade, you have got enough time to cover all these 6 chapters comprehensively. It is very easy task. Make a list. You will be like, sir, please send this PDF now, sir, please. I will, but you first make a list. Make a list. I hope you have made a list of chapters 1 to 6. Now, out of these chapters, those who are in 12th grade, particularly to them, those who are in 12th grade, particularly to them, beta, ये है list of all the important topics of physics. ये ही पढ़ना है. You have to go through this only. In the second last point, nuclear fission and fusion, alpha, beta and gamma. It is gamma rays.
Sir. Sir,
Yes, dear Shawan.
the last chapter was?
Last chapter was electromagnetic waves, 12th grade. Chapter number? Any guesses?
No, sir. We have just started getting started.
Chapter 12th grade, chapter number 1st of physics is electric charge and field. Chapter number 2 of physics is potential and potential energy. Chapter number 3 is current electricity. Chapter number 4 is magnetic effects of electric current. Chapter number 5 is magnetism of matter. Chapter number 6 is EMI and AC. Chapter number 7 is electromagnetic wave, where book number 1 ends. Book number 2 starts with light reflection and refraction. Likho. Now you will see that most of these topics you guys have completed in 9th and 10th grade. Like graph based on motion was there in 9th grade, chapter 8 motion. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Newton's laws of motion were also there in 9th. Kepler's law were also there in 9th grade gravitation chapter. Do you remember or not?
No, sir.
3 laws were there: law of orbit, law of area, law of period. So anyway, okay. So first 2 points were there in 9th grade. Third point was not there in 9th grade. Fourth point, may some parts were there in 9th grade. not leave it, no problem. Considering fourth pod was not there. Concept of weight in lift was there in ninth grade laws of motion, right? Archimedes principle and buoyancy and concept of floating was there in ninth grade. Relative density was there in ninth grade. Bernoulli's theorem was not there in ninth grade. It will be there in 11th grade. Celsius and Fahrenheit conversion is general knowledge, but if you don't know, it will be there in 11th grade. Kinetic theory of gases and gas law is a chapter in 11th grade physics. Laws of thermodynamics is a chapter in 11th grade physics. Newton's law of cooling is a chapter in 11th grade physics. Laws of cases of image formation was there in 10th grade. Properties and example of mirrors was there in 10th grade. Refraction was there in 10th grade. Total internal reflection TIR was there in 10th grade. Dispersion of light and scattering of light was there in 10th grade. Human eye and colorful world was there in 10th grade. Simple harmonic motion will be there in 11th grade or was there in 11th grade depending on which grade you are in. Simple pendulum was there in 11th grade or will be there in 11th grade. Coulomb's law and capacitor 12th grade. Ohm's law 10th grade. Kirchhoff's law 12th grade. Series and parallel combination 10th grade. Faraday's law 10th grade में था. What is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction? Akansha. Chocolate for not giving the right answer.
So could you repeat?
Should I repeat? One second here. Some kid is stuck saying everyone is in the session. Just a minute, please. Repeat what? The question to Akansha. Akansha, the question to you is what is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction? What is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction?
Sir, I don't know.
10th grade mein it was there, na?
So,
It was there, magnetic effects of electric current. First it was motor के बाद electromagnetic induction, no problem.
so that was deleted question. So,
Bad use of COVID, right? Bad use of COVID for these kids. Hello, sir. Sir, good evening, sir. हाँ सर चलेगा सर. Sir, great, sir. Great, sir. Okay, sir. Great, sir. Thanks a lot. So it's kind of a funding done, right? Right, sir. It sounds very positive. Sir, so should we consider we are funded? Kind of that, right? The startup has been funded. Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. Sir. So what I'll do is on Sunday I'll keep less classes. We can sit in the evening of Sunday. Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. If you आपके घर के साइड ही आ जाऊंगा या आरएसआई बहुत क्राउडेड रहेगा संडे को आपको डिस्टर्ब सर ये इसलिए सर इसलिए अच्छा सर ठीक है सर अरे सर देन यू कीप इट सर यू कीप इट सेना विहार आई विल कम अच्छा नहीं सो हु ऑल आर कमिंग Okay, सर ठीक है फिर RSI is good. Sir, what I would recommend is right sir. What I would recommend कि आप गाड़ी चला के मत आइए, right? You will नहीं हाँ she will drop you. I will drop you home back. No problem, sir. Right? Sir? Right. अरे सर मैं कुछ ना कुछ कर लूँगा. No problem. Right. Sir. Okay. Sir. Right. Sir. Sure. Right, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir. Roger, sir. Right, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you. Sir. Right, sir. Thank you, sir. Sure, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Right, sir. Thank you. Sorry, guys. Very important call it was. So someone asked which is the third chapter, fifth chapter. Someone asked sixth chapter, fifth chapter. I just read the chat, could miss it. Let me reread it. So chat asks for sixth chapter, right? Sixth chapter is 1, 2, 3. Sixth chapter was electromagnetic waves. अच्छा oh wow chat में आंसर भी हो गया wow yeah you know what this is what the ecosystem I want love you all very good this is what the exact ecosystem is what I am looking for let me die tomorrow you pass the NDA exam I want that's it that's the ecosystem I want
We don't want you to die, sir.
yeah anyway I will die चलो good next कहाँ गए थे हम we were discussing I was teasing and you guys was taking help of corona कि sir it was deleted तो डिलीट बुक में तो था यार स्कूल में टीचर ने पढ़ाया होगा राइट आकांक्षा नहीं पढ़ाया डोंट टेल मी देखो मैं प्रूफ करता हूँ शुड आई शो यू समथिंग एक चीज दिखाता हूँ बेटा तुम लोग को you will go mad I'll tell you the importance of NCERT books you guys generally don't give them much importance relax ये लिख लिया first you guys write it then I'll show you first you write it where were we how many of you are still pending to complete this hey I will give you PDF relax okay let's not invest time in this let's come to what I actually want to show you and all okay ठीक I will go to the other screen ध्यान से देखना जो मैं दिखाने वाला हूँ UPSC NDA 2021 पेपर ये हम गए UPSC NDA के वेबसाइट पर है ना ये हमने पेपर उठा लिया GAT का ठीक ओके कुछ एक दो क्वेश्चन आई विल शो यू some एक दो क्वेश्चन not more now I'll open up NCERT screen is visible have I shared the screen or not
No, sir.
No, sir.
oh, sorry. Sure
Yes, sir, it's visible.
NCERT 10 science book इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाज विच चैप्टर 11 तुमको तो याद ही नहीं होगा कोविड बैच हो ना तुम तो मॉम
11 sir. No sir, 12.
11 good
No, sir. 12.
11 da, it's visible. देखो अब ध्यान से देखना है, कुछ जादू दिखाता है। ये 10th एविडेंटली बुक है 10th की। एग्जाम्पल दिख रहा है आपको? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Read this example and solve. Solution is anyway given. Read it. Read it. Read it. हो गया?
Okay, sir.
This is NDA question paper, right? Read 77. कैसा लगा मैम आकांक्षा? मिस अक्षय, Miss Vavya, how's the feel? Going into brain something?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it the exact question? Just a minor change in number. There the answer is 300. Here the answer I guess is 600. Right?
600, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
एक और अभी इतना कम थोड़ी ना बेटा. वेट 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 वेट. In the same chapter, we are going to same chapter. And this is 10th grade book. All of you know it, you have been through it. Question number 2 पढ़ना जरा. Question number 2. Suddenly shift here. Who's gonna tell you that don't go here and there? Just stick to basic concepts of understanding. You will ace this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Do not bang your head here and there. I'm telling you, you might complain that we are not teaching GAT. I am not teaching GAT. Other teacher will teach polity class, history class, etc. will happen. But I am strongly against GAT classes. I'm telling you, I'm terribly against GAT classes. Reason is, the more you solve the paper, the more efficient you become in GAT. There is no other way. There is no other way of acing in GAT. But I will conduct GAT classes. Else you guys will cry कि oh GAT classes नहीं हो रहा है. हाँ? देखो ये दिख रहा है 79. आंसर बोलो. 9th ग्रेड का क्वेश्चन है. अभी दिखा दूं बोलो तो. देखो यहाँ गए. Select class. 9th grade. Select subject. Science. Select book. Science. Go. Chapter sound. I guess it's last chapter. I guess. No. It might be 11. Some last chapter only da. Yes. दिख रहा है? See? Visible or not?
Visible, sir.
पढ़ते नहीं हो ना. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? पढ़ाई नहीं करो. कोविड बैच है हम तो. पढ़ो. Write the tests. tomorrow, Saturday, you have a full length ground test. What I mean by ground test, beta? By ground test, I mean I will come to know by those tests that where you stand. More than me, you will come to know by those tests that where you stand, what all areas are weak, where you have to work and all. Fine?
Okay, sir.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay. Understood or not? My request will be, and I don't know like how to put it. My request will be, please, what is being instructed, follow it. Yeah, if you feel some doubt about, like I liked it, like the way very much Lajwant on that day asked, sir, why are we not including matrices and determinant in those chapters? That opened up a good point for all of you. I am, while stating those chapters which I feel are important, are with reference to those who do not know anything and then starting to work. If you know a particular chapter, maybe trigonometry, you may know integration also, you may know material and then go for it. That's an extra for you, yeah. Blessings. So whenever what is being instructed, listen to it, think over it. If you have got a doubt, ask, else follow it. If you follow those simple minor instructions, you will ace the scenario. I am promising you. Okay, bang on ace the scenarios. Clear? बहुत सारे देखो
Yes.
इसका आंसर की वगैरह सब यहाँ अवेलेबल होता है. ओके, श्योर, यू कैन गो एंड सी. फाइन, अंडरस्टूड?
Fine, sir.
ओके,
Sir,
यस डियर.
sir, physics and chemistry will the questions be more
Repeat.
from theory or problem?
Repeat.
Physics and chemistry will the problem be more from theory or it's like solving
Very good question, beta. It's
problem.
been observed as a general trend by UPSC. They do not hell-bent on numericals. They are more toward conceptual questions. Sure. Unlike other entrance
Yes, sir.
exams like JEE, CET, NEET, etc., they are not much. UPSC is not much inclined toward numericals. They are much inclined toward concepts. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Amisha, the test will be open tomorrow morning. It will remain open the whole day. It is expected that you take the test between 10 and 2. If not, you can take at other time as well, no problem. But expectation is it should be taken between 10 and 2 or 9 and 2 or etc. Fine. Duration of the test will be given in the test. They are odd 1 hour, 2 hour tests. Okay? Sure, everyone?
So will the
Okay,
will
sir.
the test be MCQs or subjective?
MCQ, no subjective test will be conducted.
Okay, sir.
Sure. I have given to all of you as per the forms filled by you, Google form filled by you. I want to go to college to take admission. Vishnu, no problem. Please proceed. Once you are back, you can take those tests. As I said, expectations are that you will do from 10 to 2. If not, you can do at any point of the day. Maybe on Sunday as well. No problem. Fine. चलो, ठीक है. Fine. Okay, अब थोड़ा distraction हो गया.
Do the exams include any questions from our last classes?
No, they are not questions from what we call it as what I have taught. They are the questions from what I think you should know.
Oh, okay, sir.
Anyone else? ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा हो गया, दिमाग से उड़ गया है. We have completed complex number. The general rate at which we will cover chapters is in 2 classes. Sorry, because of my bad health yesterday, I could not complete the chapter. Okay, else today we would have covered more of GAT and all. Fine. So, thank you very much for your time, guys. Tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, you have an engagement of 2 plus 2 hours. Please adhere to it. Do not miss any instructions. You will do great, I'm telling you. Sure?
Yes, sir.
To those, just give me the name of those one by one. In the chat, type your name if you have recently moved to 11th grade.
Sir, can you repeat?
Over the chat, one by one, type your name if you have recently moved to 11th grade. Yami, Anlia, Joyan, Akansha. Balu. Okay. Balu, am I correctly pronouncing your name? Sifin. Bharadwaj TP. Okay. All these dear friends of mine, those who have recently moved to 11th grade, you have my number. It's 7411489763. DM me. DM me. All those who have recently moved to 11th grade, DM me over WhatsApp. Take care.
So when I asked for explanation about a question, I'm out of my data that time and I recharge now. Can I get the explanation of that
Okay,
question
what
now?
was the question, bete?
So,
Z bar 3 minus I wala?
Sir, can
yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Okay. I'll just. Others can leave if you do not want to listen to the explanation. If you want to, you're welcome.
No, sir, it's okay.
Hi, all set?
Okay, sir.
Visible?
Yes, sir.
See dear. So, if you say that z is a complex number which is x plus iy, bar of z becomes x minus iy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, what is this complex number which is given here? Z into z bar, x plus iy into x minus iy, a plus ib, a plus b into a minus b will be a square plus b square. Right or no?
Yes, sir.
Sure. 3 instead of x, z, x plus iy. So 3 into x plus 3y into I minus I into x minus I into I is minus 1 y. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
No, sir.
No. Big bit.
How will you solve 3 minus I into this, sir?
This. See. 3 minus I into x plus iy. 3 into x. 3 into iy.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Minus I into x. Okay?
Okay, sir.
In the same way, this will be into x minus iy. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
3 into x minus 3yi plus I into x plus y, and at last plus 1. So you see this and this got cancelled, this and this got cancelled. Total equation is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Understood?
Understood, sir. Thank you.
Clear? No problem. Welcome. Sure.
Sir, I have a doubt in 10th question.
10th,
Of,
1-0.
Part one.
1-0.
Sir, not previous year. Practice question.
1-0 na 1-0.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes, sir. That one.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So relax and see. Is it a practical question? Practically possible to do? No. It's impractical. 200 power? No. Hence, there must be something which might be compressing it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And 1 plus something, yeah, 1 plus omega square is somewhere, right or not? Clear? So you are like, sir, in the quotient of omega, it is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So, sir,
Yes,
if
sir.
I want to make this thing look like omega, then I will have to send I by 2 in the numerator, and as I just can't do it in the numerator, I have to send I by 2 in the denominator as well. Right or not?
Sir, repeat that part, sir.
See, it is looking like omega but not complete. Complete omega will have minus 1 plus I root 3. So in order to send a I here, yes or no, we'll have to multiply this by I, and denominator should be 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Hence we did the multiplication of I by 2.
Okay, sir.
Just
Okay,
we
sir.
can't do it in the numerator only. We have to balance out by doing in the denominator. Right?
Yes, sir.
Right,
That we
sir.
did, and plus 1 is there. So let's proceed. As I goes inside, look at it. I into I is minus 1 plus I root 3 whole divided by 2 divided plus 1 plus I root 3 whole divided by 2. This is omega square with a negative sign. This is just omega. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, sir, it is omega by negative omega square whole to the power 200 plus omega square by omega whole to the power 200 plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
negative to the power 200 is positive. Omega can be written as omega to the power 4. You know it very well. So omega square cancel, omega square. Yes or no? So omega square plus omega plus 1. What is 1 plus omega square? Clear?
Sir, repeat that power portion
Power quotient.
after omega by minus
So
omega.
omega by negative omega square to the power 200, right? Any negative to the power even is positive.
Sir.
Yes or no? Omega can be written as omega to the power 4. Denominator is omega square. So this is omega square. Clear? So first bracket is omega square, second bracket is omega, and third is 1 anyway given. So 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So, very good, very good. This is what I am expecting, beta. This is exactly what I am expecting. Very good. Sure. Okay? Bye. Bye, everyone. Take care.